Hi guys, good morning. This is your Chef Prakash. How are you doing? And today I am going to discuss about lipoma. Maybe somebody don't understand this word. It is a medical term word, lipoma. For your understanding, I will explain. You have a fat balls in your hand, face. It will become. It should be look like a ball in your hand, legs, face, wherever it is, neck. Why it's coming, what are the remedies for it, and how to remove it without surgery, and what are the easy ways to avoid the fat balls. This is the topic today I'll choose to explain to you all. First of all, I will explain you why the lipoma, the fat balls, is coming in our body. Because of taking a lot of junk food is the one of the main reason, especially like mozzarella cheese, mayonnaise, like that variety of cheeses. I already put one video before 2 months. What are the side effects you are going to face when you taking the mayonnaise sauce? So if you don't see that video, just check it, it's in my channel. And now I am explaining very clearly what are the unwanted food which our body will not accept. When you take that kind of food, that fat content will be stored in some part of your body, that is called lipoma. So when you avoiding the junk food like pizza, burger, the fried rice, the fast food items, once if you leave these kind of foods, we can avoid the lipoma in your body. There is two kind of thing. Lipoma, some kind is, it's like a very tight balls. It will not roll. But some kind it will roll. If you press that ball, it will be rolled. So there are two kinds of lipoma. The roll variety gets a pain. If it is near your joints when you walk something or bend your hand, you will get a severe pain. Whenever you go to the hospital, they will told, the doctor will advise to admit in casualty and I want to make a small surgery, like that they will say. But there is no use of surgery, it is not a big issue. This one you can remove it very easily from your home itself. There is lot of home remedies is there. I will explain you the some home remedies, and I will explain the method which is going to use to remove these kind of fat balls. I already explained. Avoiding the junk food is the good method for avoiding these kind of issues. Once if it is come, if you want to remove it, there is three kind of therapy you have to follow. One is take a cup of salt, I mean sea salt. Put it in one cotton bag or cotton cloth, tie it tightly, and take that bag near to the heat maybe dosa tawa, whatever it is, you can press that bag, salt bag in that medium heat and press at the top of the fat balls. If you do these kind of things, it will reduce slowly, but it will be solved. And another therapy is you have to take a 24 hours fasting. Maybe you people are laughing when I'm saying this thing, but it is a real fact. The whole day, 24 hours, if you not eat any food, your body will be reset. I don't know how many people know this valuable thing. 24 hours without food, only drink water, you can able to stay. Just take a one day practice. Next day morning, you will be clear with all the bad cholesterol, bad things in your body. You can feel it. Your body will be become very fresh. If you do like this, what are the bad cholesterol, bad fat, what are the bad uh, things it should be available in your body, it will be automatically destroyed. Please try this one because in last few years before there is one child have the fat balls in in his body more than 20 places. The parents are shocked and they take to the hospital and the doctor said take these days lot of tests, but that time they don't understand what is the, I think it's a big disease. After they will bring that child to an Ayurvedic doctor and he gives some treatment. What are the treatment? First one is I told the salt with hot bath. You can press at the top of the balls. It will be melt and it should be cured. Second one is 24 hours fasting. And the third one is take the coconut oil and press at the top of the balls daily for 10 to 15 minutes. It will reduce. Another method, you have to take the bitter gourd, mix it well, add little turmeric powder and mix with some castor oil and apply at the top of that bowl. It will be reduced. So these are the method we'll follow for that child. Within a 1 month his body is get cured. There is a scientific proof is there. Even in any videos you can check about this. What are the methods I will tell, the same method only everyone will tell. Because in that book also they will mention about the home remedies regarding this. They give these kind of method only. More than everything, when you taking the bath, I don't know how many people take the bath starting from your leg to head. But our peoples take the bath from head to leg, but it's a wrong. Take the water and pour in your leg first, from leg to top to the head. You have to take bath. It is the correct way of bathing, because when you pour the water in your leg, your body heat will be reduced. But all people thinking the heat is in your head. No, every your body heat will be in your foot only. Once you will pour the water in the leg, your body heat will be reduced, and that is also the right way of taking bath. So when you taking the bath also, if you take bath in a prompt way, it will helps to remove these kind of things from your body. It will not come to your body. So please try this method. If your friends or in your family someone have these kind of issues, kindly tell to them to follow. Within a 1 month you will get a good result. Hope this video should be very enjoyable, and it should be a very useful for the people those who have the lipoma. In next video I give you some more interesting topic, and it should be very useful too. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.